What up, people? We're out here scrubbing some mold. Gone from there to there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, absolutely garden 6. I want to get this done and I'll start out there and update you properly. Alrighty, I didn't really record, but we've gone to Ghana a couple times. Just get a couple bits and bobs. I just tidied the car up heaps. I just took the front tire off and stuff, wire brushed it all, and then just brake cleaned it, so just a bit cleaner. Just show you what I'm doing to the back. Basically, just doing it until it's like that. So that's how it was before. Pretty nasty, pretty cruddy. All the paint's kind of come off it, so just gonna do this and then get some of this. Spray that bitch up, make it all clean. Once that dries, it should look pretty primo. A lot better than flaky rust and shit, so just gonna do that till it's all primo, and then yeah, should be sweet. Alrighty, well, she locked us out of the house. No, we broke the lock going into the house, and now we're locked out waiting for the locksmith, but we're absolutely starving, so we're gonna shoot down the grocery store. It seems to be like there's a little bakery in here. I don't know. It's but good banana right there. I'm gonna probably take that banana. It's a good banana. I mean, hey. Yeah, if that banana's actually still back there when we get back, I'm gonna eat that thing. Give the person time to come back and maybe try and get it. Yeah, we're gonna see what this bakery's all about. See what this bacon snack's all about. Let's see what's in here. Hey! Alrighty, today's little plan, we shot to, like, what was Ripco, whatever, I can't remember what it's called. Do you remember what it's called? That place? What was it called? That we just went to? I don't know, whatever, basically same as Ripco. It's got some degreaser, got an oil filter, some windshield wipers, put them on, window oil looks mint now. Little brand spankers on there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna degrease the whole motor, and then water blast it all, get all this shit off it. Make it look all primo as, and then it should be also easier to drain the oil and everything. Try and get all of that oil off if we can, just make it all look mint in here. And then, yeah, I'll update you. This is before and after, eh? Jacked it up, did it under here and stuff. All this was just absolutely covered with these big bits of rust, so filled it out now. All that looks sweet. These bushings look alright, all the shocks look alright, so I'm just gonna put these wheels back on. And then I'll show you the engine main stuff. Fuck, it looks way better now. Whoa, look at that weapon cars. Looks so much better. Does it look so much better? Looks so much better. Alright, I'm gonna tighten these wheels up and I'll show you underneath the hood, eh? Okay, it looks so much. I would have blasted all in these bits too. So now they're all absolutely minto. Alright. Alright. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that puppy. No oil on the gearbox whatsoever, mate. Absolutely primo. So when I get it home, when it dries up a bit, probably just whack some tyre shine over absolutely everything. Make it look primo. Fuck, I hope I didn't get too much water on the distributor or whatever. I hope it starts up all good. It's not missing. Lol. Come on, girl. Oh, she's missing, I think. Is it? Oh, yeah. She's a little bit missy. She's a little misatero. She's a little bit misatero. It'll be right. So I'll just run it for a good bit. Hopefully, just one of that. Just the whole distributor is probably just a bit. I cannot speak. A bit wet, so should be right. Hopefully, let it dry off and it'll stop that miss. You can hear it now. You can hear it from back here. That should be sweet as. Yeah. So I'll update you what we do first today. So I'm just gonna WD-40 absolutely everything. Got some of that, so you can see like that's a before, that's an after. So it just makes it all look brand new. WD-40 absolutely everything, make it all shiny and beautiful. And we should be Gucci. The end result, absolutely stunning. Whole firewall back there, all the hoses Well, bang. It's pretty much just brand new. Yeah, so pretty much just gonna keep going over all the rubbers of everything now. It's all brand new under here, so that's a stunner. It'll pretty much look like that for quite a while too, and it'll be easier to clean next time. All the shit will just kind of sit on top. But yeah, be oldie full. I wanna do this grill and shit, make all that look pretty, and then yeah, maybe these top things as well. Give them another coat, and we should be on. Oh yeah, this shit is the absolute bomb diggity. Look at that now, pre-mucky, absolutely pre-mucky. Look, so you still got that, and now it looks like that. I'm gonna do a quick before and after. Bang, looks like that. Disgusting, absolutely feral. And then watch this shit. Whoa, bang! Wow, cars. Should probably have got another can, cause there's actually some spots that I fully missed. Probably should have just done like a one light coat over the whole thing and then done whatever, but I don't care. It'll do, mate. Looks absolutely brand spanking new. So, yep, everyone puts wheel back on, and then yeah, hopefully this thing will pass the bloody wharf. Probably gonna have to go back and get another can of that underbody shit, 'cause I did forget some bits, but just gonna go around the whole car with this stuff and this brush, just spray it all, let it soak in a bit, and then give it a good scrub. Hopefully we can get rid of all that moss and all that shit. Make it all mint in here, because I'm going to be sleeping in here, so it's like a home. Still a bit wet now, but yo, pretty much got rid of most of the mold in these corners. They all look sweet as now. Give this thing a good vacuum, get rid of all the other shit, but yeah, it's not too bad. Got most of that staying out, most of that staying out. Once it dries, it'll look a lot better too, but yeah, couldn't really go too hard. I asked him to do that to the whole fucking thing, so anyway, give it a quick clean up. I'm going to do the front carpets and the floor well now. Holy shit, isn't it? This thing's not harder. I mean, this is harder. It's got a couple more things to do. Most of the roof's done. I think Mia did some of that. Shout out to Otto for the speaker, mate. Appreciate it. Yeah, so we're just gonna try and get rid of all this mold. Look at that. Disgusting. Disgusting. So you give it a good scrub, and then yeah, we can go back to the car wash and use their vacuum and go grab another can of that underbody seal so I can do the rest of it. Should be on. I'll just do this so I can hopefully the underbody seal dry properly, and then we should be Gucci. Alrighty, we just shot back to the Repco. It's what's like RDT. That's what it's called, RDT. Got another one of those underbody seals. I probably should have even checked that it was dry. I'm sure it would dry pretty quickly, but yeah, look at it. Oh, that stuff's bloody good, mate, I tell ya. Looks bloody mint under here now. Yeah, well, now that I got another can, I'm just gonna give everything another coat. Make sure I get that spot that I missed and stuff, and then I'll probably just cover all of this bit up. Just spray it all, make it look absolutely pre-muck as. And then yeah, hopefully it really shouldn't pass. Like, that tyre is like kind of bold, but it's still pretty good. So I might just get a wheel alignment, and then hopefully yeah, this thing just passes. The brakes are sweet at the front, so yeah, we'll give it a vacuum and then see how she goes. It's a bit later on. 6 euros, mate. Fucking hole 24. Let's go. Gonna go home, see if they're good. If they're good, then I'm gonna come straight back and get another one. Righty. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the oil change and stuff now. I've got a little mat that I can put on the ground, so it looks like I'm half mechanic, and we should be able to make no mess. Should be able to get this done. Change the oil filter, change the oil. And it should be absolutely ready for a wash, and then we should be able to pass it fine, hopefully. So we start off the other side of the road, just do a quick oil change, and give the radiator a quick flush too. Got the oil filter out, already drained the oil, so I'm probably going to put about, I think it said that it needed like 3.5 litres or something, so I'm probably going to put like 500 mils straight down the top, give it a quick flush out with that, and then once that's all drained through, then yeah, I can put the filter back on, put the rest of the oil in, and then drain this water. Alright, so someone wants to know, the oil filter is back. You see it? Back there on these things. Way back there. Yeah, so I just put another like 500 mils about that much in there. Let that drain out. It's still coming out pretty black, so I'll just let that draining until it's all drained. And then, yeah, put that bolt back in, tighten the bolt back up, put the rest of the oil in, and then I'm going to put all the old oil back into that container. And then you drain this with water, and then we should be on. Right, so now she's primo with oil. I'm just going to put this old stuff back into this empty bottle. And yeah, we should be primo, and then drain this water. Ready? So that other stuff, yeah, dried up, looks mean as, literally looks brand new. So I just cleaned up this little bit as well. I'm just going to spray all those little bits, all these bits back here, just basically cover it all, make it look mixed out. A whole another can now, so. Righty. It's all done now. Oh fuck, of course I used the rest of the can and still those bits. Idiot. Idiot. I know I should use a light, hey? Oh well. Oh well. Anyway, main bit's done. Haven't got any of that in there at all either. Wow. Oh well. Done all that. Beautiful. All of this, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Looks all sweet, mate. That'll be enough, surely. Hopefully it'll help us fucking past APK till we're underbody sealed, and then yeah, see everything's all black, everything's all beautiful. I'm gonna have a bit of a smoke while I wait for that to dry up, and yeah, should be on. Righty, that's all changed, done. Water changed, got coolant in it. Should be absolutely primo. Front brakes have been done, not by me, but they've been done. Pretty sure the back brakes should be fine. The drum brakes anyway, they're not really making noise. So I don't really know what else I could fail on. I've done the wipers. Yeah, it could maybe, I don't know. It doesn't really seem like there's any play with anything, so hopefully that'll just be bingo bango. But it's probably just another day of Ravdogslife, baby. Stay you, stay beautiful, stay king where you are. Remember the saying of the week is to listen to everybody around you, but never act on someone else's opinion.